So today, I'm out here at Mountain Creek, riding with the boys from Ritopia. And we're about to do a trail that I've never done before, called the Slayer. Now mind you, they don't call it the Slayer for no reason. Yeah, let's take a look.
Woo! The hell am I? Damn!
We won't. I'll keep it easy.
I'm crossing.
So we're going up over this rock. If any of you, who hasn't ridden Slayer, this upper part? This rock, it's like a 6-inch drop on the right. So it looks like we're going off a cliff right now. We're just gonna go over it. You'll see where you land. Just put your tire there. It's all good. Then we ride over a bridge with a steep roll in. It scares people, but it's smooth as shit, super easy. You got plenty of time to slow down after it, so don't freak out and pull your front brake and go over the bars. Just ride, you'll be good. And the rest of it, it's like a little steep, but if you just keep your chin of your helmet here instead of back here,
All the way down there?
over all the rocks just fine. Here you can put your wheel right through everything perfectly, not get bucked around. Here you're gonna stuff it in a hole. But
Okay,
it'll be fine, we're taking it easy.
try to remember that.
I already forgot everything.
God, I hope I got that on video.
Man down, man down.
Ah! Oh, come on, pick it up.
They went down there.
Where? There?
Yeah, that way.
Okay, I gotta take the easy way down then.
Oh shit, I missed the turn, I see.
Okay. I'll take the easy way down. Where the hell is it? Ah. Damn it. Who's there? Oh, jeez. Ah! Fuck! Hold up! Stand down.
You good?
Yeah. Holy shimson. Are you there? Son of a bitch. Hold up! Which way you going?
You good, man?
Yeah, I caught myself.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, caught it. I didn't go over, the bike did. I didn't. Coming down. Cuckoo! You got it? Keep going. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You just got this little drop right here. All right.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
Be in the moment. Hell yeah!
There you go. There you go.
Look great.
Thomas, you ready? Yeah. Go.
Whew. Nice.
That was my biggest challenge so far, man.
Yeah, me too, but I went OTB.
I'm still looking back at it. I don't even know what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Go, man. I'll let you go.
Okay, let me see if I can find me if I can find me one right here. There we go. Oh, damn. Yeah, I know, right? Ooh. Oh no. Damn. Holy. Slayed the shit out of me. I ain't gonna lie. Ouch. Finger. Okay.
It's fun. Nice job. That's so fun.
Yeah. Papa.
Good. Yeah, bike looks good.
I'm good.
Whew. Okay. Good.
I'm good.
Yeah, a little sore.
Oh, what's up? Everybody good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Hold on, ride it out.
Ray, you want to Ray? I'm going.
You want to clean that up a little bit? Maybe I don't know. He grabbed them.
Forget about that.
Start it up. Oh, damn.
And there you have it. Mountain Creek and the Slayer versus the Spider. The Slayer 1, the Spider 0. Nice.
We'll drop off. I didn't know if you know. It hurts.
Ray.
Hello, Ray. Oh, hurry. I'm good.
Yo. What? Good? You ripped that thing.
Yeah, I'm fine. Huh? That quick? I was like, oh, look, you got